Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome to our online class conducted by MCGM. So today we learn English subject. First we sing a song, okay? A little song. You repeat after me and do action, okay? Say, little lamb, where do you sleep?
Little lamb, where do you sleep?
In the green meadow with mother sheep.
In the world,
In the green meadow, mother sheep
mother sheep,
with mother sheep.
mother sheep,
Little birds,
little bird,
where do you sleep?
where do you sleep?
Close to your mother,
You to your mother,
in warm nest,
upon nest,
in warm nest.
upon nest.
Baby dear, where do you lie?
Baby dear, where are
Baby dear, where do you lie?
baby, where do you lie?
In my soft bed with mother close by.
एक बार it is my bed.
In my soft bed,
In my soft bed.
mother close by.
Mother close by.
In mother close by.
In mother close by.
Very good. This is a very nice song. Today we learn the lesson egg. Okay. Today we revise the lesson the egg. You know this lesson, students?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So I show you something. See, this is a parrot.
Parrot. Parrot.
Yes, in our lesson, here are mummy parrot. This picture is
Mummy parrot.
okay. And this is, who is this?
Baby parrot. Baby parrot.
Baby parrot. And this is
Egg. White egg.
egg. Our lesson is the egg. And this is egg. Okay. See, mummy parrot, baby parrot, and the
Egg.
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 Very good. So our story is baby parrot live in a nest. Here, small nest. Like this. See, this is our small nest. Okay. So here Baby parrot live in a nest with mummy parrot and a big white egg. This is our white egg, big white egg. Okay. One day mummy said, I'm going to find some food. What mummy said? I'm going to find some food. Said mummy one day. You must look after the egg until I return. Mummy said to baby parrot, you must look after the egg until I return. Baby parrot, now mummy go. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. See, here I am taking egg. This is our baby parrot. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it round to make sure it was comfortable. See, she moving round to watch the egg make comfortable. Okay. She wrap her wings. She wrap her rings like this. This is baby parrot wings. Okay. See. You see these wings? See.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this is baby parrot's wing. She wrapped wings around it to make sure it was warm. I am good at looking after eggs, she thought. What baby parrot thought? I am very good to look after eggs. Just then, she heard the monkeys saying the tree. Baby parrot tried to call like monkey. She, she peered over the edge of the nest and puffed at them. Suddenly, baby parrot see the monkeys and try to make a sound like this. Suddenly, baby parrot remember the eggs. See, you see this egg? Baby parrot remember the egg and she looked around the gulf. It was broken. What she see? The egg was broken. You see the broken egg? Students?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Teacher.
yes. It was broken. Now baby parrot is frightened. Mummy would be angry to see this broken egg. Okay. But when mummy returned, now but when baby parrots returned, angry at all. Mummy say, don't worry. As a little parrot pop out of the broken eggshell. See, in this eggshell, the little parrot broken out, broken in eggshell. Okay. The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you got a new baby sister. What mummy say? Mummy said to baby parrot, now you have got a new baby sister. You see the baby?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so this is a baby sister of this baby parrot. Okay. Mummy said, now you have got a new baby sister to play with. You like this story, students?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this is Mummy Parrot, Baby Parrot and her sister. Okay. Now, students, you all read this story in your
Yes,
text.
teacher.
Okay. Now, we see some hard words. Okay. Now, you tell me the hard words. You read this. Our first word is M-U,
M-U,
double M,
double
Y,
M-Y,
mummy.
mommy.
Say M-U-double-M-Y, mummy.
M-U-double-M-Y, mommy.
Yes, very good. Our next word is A-N, G-R-Y,
A-N-G-R-Y,
angry.
hungry.
Yes, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Repeat after me. A-N-G-R-Y,
A-N-G-R-Y, hungry.
yes. This one, sister. S-I-S,
Sister.
S-I-S,
S-I-S,
T-E-R,
S-I-S,
T-E-R,
T-E-R,
sister.
T-E-R, sister.
Yes, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Now,
S-I-S-T-E-R, sister.
very good. G-U-L-P,
G-U-L-P,
glove.
glove.
Yes. E-D-G-E,
E-D-G-E,
edge,
H,
edge.
edge.
Very good. Now you read these words.
M-U-M-Y,
M-U-double-M-Y,
M-U-double-M-Y,
mummy.
mommy.
Yes. Second word.
H-N-G-R-Y, hungry.
A-N-G-R-Y. Very good. Next.
S-I-S-T-E-R, sister.
Very good.
G-U-L-P, girl.
Yes, very good.
E-E-D-G-E, edge.
Very good. Now we read next words. B-A-B-Y, baby.
B-A-B-Y, baby.
Very good. B-A-B-Y, baby.
B-A-B-Y, baby.
W-R-A-P,
W-R-A-P,
rap.
rap.
W-R-A-P, rap.
W-R-A-P, rap.
P-A-R-R-O-T,
P-A-R-R-O-T,
parrot.
parrot.
P-A-R-R-O-T,
P-A-R-R-O-T,
parrot.
Parrot.
Yes. H-A-T.
H-A-T.
C-H.
C-H.
H.
H.
H-A-T-C-H-H.
H-A-T. H-A-T-C-H. H.
Yes. Now read again.
B-A-B-Y. Baby.
Yes.
W-R-A-P. Rap.
Very good.
P-R-P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot.
Very good.
H-A-T-C-H. H.
Very good. Very nice. Now I ask you some big spelling. Okay. E-double-G.
E-double-G.
S-H.
S-H.
E-double-L.
E-double-L.
Eggshell.
Eggshell.
R-E-M.
R-E-M.
E-M.
E-M.
B-E-R.
B-E-R.
Remember.
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 C-O-M.
C-O-M.
F-O-R.
F-O-R.
T-A-B-L-E.
T-A-B-L-E.
Comfortable.
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 Eggshell.
E-double-G-S-H-E-double-L. Eggshell.
Next.
R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember.
Very good.
C-O-M.
F-O-R.
F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. Comfortable.
Comfortable. Very good. Very nice. Okay, now student, I show you some sentences. Okay, we read some sentences and you say me who said this sentence. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
First we read this sentence. Okay. Now you tell me who said this sentence. I
am going to find some food.
Very good. I am going to find some food. Very, very good. Now you say, who said this sentence?
Me, teacher Rehan Khan.
What? Who said this sentence? Mummy parrot, baby parrot, or egg?
Mummy parrot.
Yes. Mummy parrot say, I am going to find some food. To baby parrot. Okay. Mummy parrot said this sentence. Very, very good. And you read very nicely. Read again one time.
I am going to find some food.
Very good. Very nice. Now second sentence. First, we read this sentence and then you say who said this.
You must look after the egg until I return.
Yes. You must look after the egg until I return. Yes, very good. Who said this sentence?
Mummy parrot.
Yes. Mummy parrot said this sentence to baby parrot. What she said? You must look after the egg until I return. Again read one time.
You must look after the egg until I return.
Very good. Mummy parrot, say this sentence. Now our next sentence. Okay. First you read this sentence.
I am very good at looking after eggs.
Yes, very good. I am very good to looking after eggs. Who said this sentence?
Baby parrot.
Yes, baby parrot said this. I am very good to looking after eggs. Very good. So read again one time.
I am very good at looking after eggs.
At looking after eggs. Very good. Very nice. Now the last one. Last sentence. Okay. First you read.
Now we got a new baby sister.
Listen, we have. Now you have. Say, now you have got a
new baby sister to play with.
yes, very good. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. Who said this sentence?
Mommy parrot said
Yes,
baby parrot.
yes, mommy parrot say this sentence to baby parrot. What he says? Read again.
Now you have got a new baby sister to play with.
Yes, very good. Now you read some sentences from the lesson. Okay. You all know the story.
Yes, teacher.
You like these pictures?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you know all this story very well. Okay. Now I ask you some question.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now you make a sentence. Okay. You make your own sentence. I show you one picture. Okay. So this is
Big white egg.
a big white egg. So you make a sentence. A big white egg. Like I like to eat eggs. Okay. Egg color is white. You make sentences.
The egg is in the nest.
Egg is
In the nest.
okay. Very good. Egg is in the nest. Okay. Now I show you. Yes. Say.
Egg shape is oval shape.
Yes. Very good. X shape is oval shape. Very good. I show you this picture. Okay, you make a sentence.
I love parrot.
Very good. I love parrot. And Another sentence.
And parrot talk human
Language.
language.
Okay. And parrot's color is?
Parrot color is green.
Very good. Okay. Now, I show you one word. Okay. So, you make a sentence. Which word is it?
Mummy.
Mummy. Okay. You make a sentence for mummy.
I love my mummy.
I love my mummy. Okay. Another. Only one sentence.
He cook food for me.
Yes, she cooked your favorite food for you. Okay. Now, this one. Which word is this?
Sister.
Sister. You make a sentence.
I don't have a sister.
Okay, you don't have a sister. And another one. You have cousin sister. My
Yes,
sister.
teacher.
Yes, say my sister name is.
My sister name is Jenny.
Very good. Now I show you one more word. Which word is
Baby.
baby? Yes.
I have a baby brother.
Okay, you have a baby brother. And you like babies. You play with babies. Yes or
Yes,
no?
teacher.
Okay. So students, you make a sentences from given words in page number 56. Okay. In your textbook. And read one time full paragraph. Okay. And small sentences and words. Okay, students.
Okay, teacher.
This is your homework. Okay. You make small sentences.
Okay,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay. Now you like these videos. You like this mummy parrot and baby parrot's picture
Yes, teacher.
and this little sister of baby parrot. You like
Yes,
this?
teacher.
You like this video?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So share with your friends and family. Okay. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Goodbye, students.
Bye, teacher.
Say bye to baby parrot.